Hello my friends and welcome back. In this video we're going to create the layouts of our project. I created this empty project called Volume Calculator app, and inside the layout folder I'll create a custom layout that serves as a template for our items in the grid view. Layout resource file, name it as grid item layout, click OK. This is a layout that will serve as a template for every item in the grid view. I'll change the width to wrap content and the height to wrap content. Then I need to create two views, one of type image view and one of type text view. Top to top, parent. And you can see this is our image view. It's constrained to the left and to the top. Also, I need to constrain to the right, so I'll add end to end of parent. So you can see this is the new constraint added. I need to add margin to the right. So margin right equals to 16 dp. And here we go. Then I need to add a text view. So text view, wrap content, ID, and the other attributes. And here we go. This is our layout. This is the image view, and this is the title. Image view and the title. Okay, this is the template for every item in the grid view. Now let's move to the main activity.xml file, and here we need to add the grid view. I remove the constraints of this text view by clicking on Ctrl and hovering the mouse to here, or you can simply remove this line, bottom to bottom of parent. Remove it and you can see the text is shifted up. Okay, I added the 16 dp and I will change the text to volume calculator app, size 38, and the text style would be bold. I'll give it a name, ID, title, and under this text view I will create the grid view. I want from you to focus with me because I'm going to introduce a new view group in Android. Here I will start with grid view 0 dp. This will match the constraints. So ID grid view by dragging and dropping. Also you can use like this, margin top 24 dp, and I will add the constraints here. And you can see it's constrained to the left and right and below, and it's constrained below the text or the title. This is our grid view. But what is grid view in Android? Grid view is a view group that displays items in a two-dimensional scrolling grid. It's often used to present data in a tabular form or to display images and other items in a grid layout. Each item in the grid view is represented by a view object, and the grid can be scrolled both vertically and horizontally. You can add attributes such as number of columns. This will specify the number of columns in the grid. I will set it to 2. So there are 2 columns in the grid, and you can see it. It formatted the shape in order to fill 2 columns. Also, you can specify the column width, which will specify the width of each column. Moreover, you can use the gravity to set the gravity of the entire grid. You can set it to center, start, left, right, and so on. So this is our grid view. This is how we create grid views in Android. Now let's populate this template, this custom layout into each item of this grid view.